Conjugate of a complex number. Let z equal to x plus iy. The conjugate of z. The conjugate of complex number. The conjugate of complex number z is defined z bar equal to x minus iy. X minus iy. Let z is equal to x plus iy. The conjugate of a complex number z is defined by z bar that is equal to x minus iy. For example, the conjugate of two plus 3i is 2 minus 3i. The conjugate of 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. So z into z bar, z is equal to x plus iy, z bar is equal to x minus iy. So z into z bar equal to x plus iy into x minus iy. So that is equal to x square plus minus I square y square, that is equal to x square plus y square. Next, that is, and now p x comma y be the complex number. Now the conjugate of the complex number p x comma y be the complex number. The conjugate of complex number, that is p dash, that is p dash, that is x comma minus y, x comma minus y. The conjugate of a complex number is reflection of x axis, reflection of x axis, that is reflection of real axis. Properties of conjugate of complex number. Properties of conjugate of complex numbers. First one property, that is z1 plus z2 whole bar. z1 plus z2 whole bar is equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. Proof. Let z1 equal to x1 plus iy1, comma z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. For now, z1 plus z2 whole bar is equal to x1 plus iy1 plus x2 plus iy2, the whole bar. So that is equal to, we can write x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2, the whole bar. But that is equal to x1 plus x2 minus I into y1 plus y2. And the conjugate of this number is plus is changed into minus. Okay, for now, so that is equal to x1 minus iy1 plus x2 minus iy2. So that is equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. The same like that we can prove. Second one, z1 minus z2 the whole bar equal to z1 bar minus z2 bar. So that is equal to, that is z1 x plus iy1 minus x1 plus iy1 minus x2 plus iy2. So that is equal to, we can write x1 minus x2 the whole bar, x1 minus x2 plus I into y1 minus y2 the whole bar. So that is equal to x1 minus x2 minus I into y1 minus y2. So that is equal to x1 minus iy1 minus x2 minus x2 minus iy2. So that is equal to z1 bar minus z2 bar. Property third, that is z1 into z2 bar equal to z1 bar into z2 bar. Okay, proof. You know that z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1, z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. Okay. So now z1 into z2 equal to, that is x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2. z1 into z2 is equal to x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2, that is equal to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. Okay. But now z1 z2 bar, that is equal to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1 the whole bar. So that is equal to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 minus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. So now z1 bar into z2 bar is equal to x1 minus iy1 into x2 minus iy2. So that is equal to, we can write x1 x2 minus y1 y2 minus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. So from this two last z1 z2 bar whole bar, z1 bar into z bar, both are same. So we can write z1 into z2 the bar is equal to z1 bar into z2 bar. Fourth one, z1 by z2 the whole bar, z1 by z2 the whole bar equal to z1 bar by z2 bar. Proof. So now z1 by z2 into z2 equal to z1 because z2 z2 cancel. Okay, but now taking the conjugate on both sides, z1 by z2 into z2 the whole bar is equal to z1 bar. So that is equal to, that is product of two complex numbers. So we can write z1 by z2 bar into z2 bar equal to z1 bar. Okay, we got z1 by z2 the whole bar is equal to z1 bar by z2 bar. Here z2 not equal to 0. Next, property number 5, real part of z is equal to z plus z bar by 2. Proof. That is, let z is equal to x plus iy. So therefore z bar is equal to x minus iy. Real part of z is equal to x. Okay. But now z plus z bar is equal to, that is x plus iy plus x minus iy. So that is equal to plus iy minus iy cancel, x plus x 2x. So we got z plus z bar by 2 equal to x. That is equal to real part of z. Next, sixth property, that is imaginary part of z is equal to z minus z bar by 2. But now z minus z bar is equal to, that is x to I, x plus iy minus x minus iy. So that is equal to x minus x is cancel, iy plus iy, that is equal to 2iy. So now z minus z bar by 2i equal to y. That is equal to imaginary part of z. You know, is imaginary part of z is equal to y. And next sixth property. Next seventh property, z is equal to z bar, z equal to z bar, then if z is equal to z bar, then z is real, purely real. Z is purely real. Okay, proof. Let z is equal to x plus iy, z bar is equal to x minus iy. If z equal to z bar, this implies x plus iy equal to x minus iy. But this implies x cancel, so 2 into iy equal to 0. But this implies 2y equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 0. But this implies imaginary part of z is equal to 0. Therefore, z is purely real. Next property, z power n whole bar is equal to z bar whole power n. Proof. Z power n whole bar, that is equal to z into z into z into up to n times whole bar. That is equal to z bar into z bar into z bar up to n times. That is equal to z bar whole bar. Yes. Next, property number 9. If z is equal to minus z bar, z is equal to minus z bar, then z is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. But let z is equal to x plus iy. Z bar is equal to x minus iy. Minus z bar is equal to minus of x minus iy. That is equal to minus x plus iy. But now z equal, if z equal to minus z bar, after this implies z x plus iy, x plus iy equal to, that is minus x plus iy cancel. This implies 2x equal to 0. This implies x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, real part of z is equal to 0. This implies z is purely imaginary. Okay, next 10th property, z bar the whole bar equal to z. Z bar the bar, z bar the whole bar equal to z. Proof. Let z equal to x plus iy. Z bar is equal to, that is x plus iy the whole bar, that is equal to x minus iy. Z bar the whole bar equal to x minus iy bar, that is equal to x plus iy, that is equal to z. Therefore, z bar the whole bar equal to z. 3 plus 4i divided by 5 minus 12i in the x plus iy form. Hence, find the real and imaginary parts of the number. Let z is equal to 3 plus 4i by 5 minus 12i. That is equal to 3 plus 4i by 5 minus 12i into, that is the conjugate of denominator, that is 5 minus 12i. Conjugate of 5 minus 12i is 5 plus 12i. So we can multiply 5 plus 12i both numerator and denominator. We got 5 plus 12i by 5 plus 12i. So that is equal to 3 plus 4i into 5 plus 12i divided by 5 minus 12i into 5 plus 12i. So that is equal to, we can multiply this two number, 15 minus 48 plus I into 36 plus 20 divided by 5 square minus 12i the whole square. But that is equal to 15 minus 48, that is minus 33 plus 36 plus 20, that is 56i divided by 5 square 25 minus 12i square, that is minus into minus plus 12 square 144. But that is equal to minus 33 plus 56i by 169. But that is equal to, we can write minus 33 by 169 plus I into 56 by 169. This is in the x plus iy form. The real of z is equal to minus 33 by 69. Imaginary of z is equal to 56 by 169. Simplify 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole cube minus 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I whole cube into the rectangular form. Solution. Rectangular form means we can write x plus iy form. So let consider 1 plus I by 1 minus I equal to 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. That is conjugate of denominator. 1 minus I is 1 plus I. So 1 plus, that is equal to, you can multiply 1 plus I the whole square divided by 1 square minus I square. So that is equal to 1 plus I square plus 2I. A plus b the whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by 1 plus 1. So that is equal to, we got 2I by 2, that is equal to I. You know, 1 plus minus 1 cancel. So 2I by 1 plus 1 2. So 2I by 2, that is equal to I. So now we got next 1 minus I by 1 plus I is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I by 1 minus I. That is okay. So that is equal to 1 by I. You know, 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal to I. So that is equal to into minus I by minus I, that is equal to minus I divided by minus I square, that is equal to minus I by 1, that is equal to minus I. But now 1 plus I by 1 minus I the whole cube, 1 plus I by 1 minus I the whole cube minus 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I the whole cube equal to 1 plus I by 1 minus I, that is equal to I, that is I cube minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I, 1 minus I by 1 plus I, that is equal to minus I the whole cube. But that is equal to I cube is minus y minus, that is plus I, so minus I, that is equal to minus 2I, minus 2I. But that is, we can write, that is equal to 0 minus 2I, that is x plus iy form. The x plus I, the real part is 0. So we can write 0 minus 2I, or otherwise we can write 0 plus minus 2 into I. So that is xy form. If z plus 3 divided by z minus 5i equal to 1 plus 4i divided by 2, find the complex number z in the rectangular form. That is question. Okay, so now solution. Given z plus 3 by z minus 5i equal to 1 plus 4i by 2, we can use the cross multiplication. 2 into z plus 3 equal to 1 plus 4i into z minus 5i. So we can multiply 2 into z, 2z, 2 into 3 6, 1 plus 4i into z minus 5i into 1 plus 4i. So 2z minus 1 plus 4i, this 1 plus 4i is taking this side, minus of 1 plus 4i into z equal to, this 6 is going that side, minus 6 minus 5i, minus 5i into 1 minus 5i, minus 5 into 4, 20i into I square. So that is, we will take the z is common, z into 2 minus 1 minus 4i equal to minus 6 minus 5i plus 20. 20 into I square, that is minus 1, minus 20 into minus plus 20. Okay, now z into 1 minus 4i, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 4i equal to minus 6 plus 20, that is 14 minus 5i. Okay, but now z is equal to 14 minus 5i by 1 minus 4i. So we can use the conjugate, multiplication of denominator conjugate, then 14 minus 5i divided by 1 minus 4i into 1 plus 4i divided by 1 plus 4i. So we can multiply 14 minus 20, minus 5i into 5i into 4i minus 20i square, that is minus 20. Next we go to 14 into 4, 56 minus 5 I into. So we divided by 1 square plus 4i the whole square. That is 14 minus into minus plus 20, that is 34, plus I into 56 minus 5, 51, divided by 1 square 1, minus 16 I square, that is plus 16. So 34 plus I into 51 by 17, that is equal to 2 plus 3i, that is the rectangular form of this number z. So that 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10 is real. Let Z is equal to solution. Let Z is equal to 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10. To prove Z is a real, it is enough to prove Z equal to Z bar. Already we know that Z is equal to Z bar, then Z is a real. So we take Z is equal to 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10. But now Z bar is equal to 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 power 10 the whole bar. But that is equal to, here we can use the property Z1 plus Z2. Z1 plus Z2 whole bar equal to Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. We can use this property. We can write 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 the bar plus 2 minus I root 3 power 10 the whole bar. Okay. But now another next step we can use the property, that is Z power n. Z power n the whole bar is equal to Z bar the whole power n. Z power n the whole bar. 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 the bar is equal to Z bar, that is 2 plus I root 3 whole bar power 10. Remember here 2 minus I root 3 the whole power 10. But that is equal to 2 plus I root 3 the whole power, that is 2 minus I root 3 power 10 plus 2 plus I root 3 power 10, that is equal to Z. That is equal to Z. We prove that Z bar is equal to Z. Z bar is equal to Z. Z bar is equal to Z. Therefore Z is a real. So that 19 plus 9i divided by 5 minus 3i whole power 15 minus 8 plus I divided by 1 plus 2i whole power 15 is purely imaginary. Let Z is equal to 19 plus 9i divided by 5 minus 3i whole power 15 minus 8 plus I divided by 1 plus 2i whole power 15. Z is purely imaginary. It is enough to prove that Z is equal to minus Z bar. Z is purely imaginary. It is enough to prove that Z is equal to minus Z bar. Okay. But now 19 plus 9i divided by 5 minus 3i equal to, we can use the conjugation. 19 plus 9i divided by 5 minus 3i and 5 plus 3i by 5 plus 3i. We got that is equal to 2 plus 3i. Next we go to the 8 plus I by 1 plus 2i is equal to 8 plus I divided by 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i by 1 minus 2i. We can multiply and get simplification. We got that is equal to 2 minus 3i. So Z is equal to, that is, this one is 2 plus 3i whole power 15 minus this one is 2 minus 3i whole power 15. So Z bar is equal to the whole bar, 2 plus 3i power 15 minus 2 minus 3i by 15 the whole bar. So we can take the conjugate, that is using the properties 2 minus 3i whole power 15 minus 2 plus 3i whole power 15. So minus Z bar is equal to 2 plus 3i whole power 15 minus 2 minus 3i whole power 15, that is equal to Z. That is equal to Z. So minus Z bar is equal to Z, or Z is equal to minus Z bar. So Z is purely imaginary.